Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I thought I would share my August Hip Kit Club kit with you. I'm not sure why I'm still getting kits other than I'm trying to make it till the end of the year or close to the end of the year because there's always such cute Christmas collections, and now with the grandbaby around all the time I have tons of grandbaby pictures, but I haven't had time to scrapbook forever with just life in general being as hectic as it is. I did realize just now that my nails match my tissue paper. That's super cool. And my toes match my nails, so I'm with it. I'm all in what should I say? I'm all put together. I'm all put together. So I did notice that Hip Kit is doing some exclusive stamps, so that's pretty cool. I need to get back on my stamp game. Sorry for the ruffle, but let's see. Oh, it looks like we got, oh, I hope this isn't new. It is Nouveau Drops. I never know what to do with these things. I have several of these. And I literally have tried to make the dots. Never, ever works. Ever. And I've tried to pull it through a screen. Doesn't work. I don't know what to do with this. I guess I'm going to have to watch their videos about how to use this. I mean, or maybe do a little research. Not that I have the time. But that kind of matches my nails too. Interesting. So what color is this? This is, I can't, Midnight Blue. There you go. Midnight Blue. I have no idea what to do with you. And I always get the cardstock add-on, so I'm going to do that last. But let's see what we have as far as the main kit. We'll start with papers, because that's always a perfect place to start. So we'll move that to the side, and we will move this to the side and do one by one. So this is a nice navy and white wonky stripe. The collection is by Hip Kit Club, Awesome Life by Kim and Kimberly, and this side is called O Beehive. Very cute. Not really my normal color palette, but I could see me using this type of color palette for some of the end of summer and early fall with Bab. Because see, here's a picture of him. Well, this has some greens in it, but anyway, with the blue water, I think that some summer pictures might look, or end of summer pictures might look cute with paper like that. So that one's cute. Here is another exclusive Hip Kit Awesome Life, and this one is called Petal Pushers. Just beautifully bright, defined floral. And on the back is just a dark orange polka dot on white. Of course, I like this side because that's how I roll. Here is another exclusive Hip Kit Club Awesome Life called X Factor. Again, this is the kind of colors I would use for more of like masculine or Bab kind of pictures. And then this is the B side, which is a lovely little daisy on a dark navy background. So I guess they did their own little thing this time around. It looks like it's all this same collection. This one is called Paint the Town. Just looks like some dry brush technique on canvas with some of those oranges and navies. And then this is very boyish. This is just a light blue with some orange stars. So maybe for my pseudo, would that be my, yeah, that'd be my pseudo nephew. I've just decided to keep it as simple as possible, to start calling these integrated and like incorporated, blended families. I'm just going to call them pseudo this and pseudo that. Makes it easy. I no longer have one of my pseudo son-in-laws, but my daughter, my oldest daughter, is getting engaged because they're planning the engagement. It's crazy to me. She picked out her own ring and all of that, but that's a whole different generation. Anyway, so I guess he's really going to be a pseudo son-in-law soon, which isn't my pick, but she didn't get to pick Bab either, so I have to accept it. So this one is from the same collection called Just a Wallflower. So beautiful little pink flowers. Well, they're not little, but they're maybe a medium motif. And then the back side is a very bright green polka dot on white. I'm just going to move that to the side now. All right. This one looks like, of course, same collection from the Hip Kit Club. Looks like a cheetah print, but in blue and purple on white. And then this is the back side, which is more of a Baroque, and it has that softer lavender color with the navy. I don't know which, wait, on this one, let's see. I think I like these, no, I like this side, and I guess I like this side. I don't know, this is kind of, they're moving into fall too quickly for me. Now I do like this color, this is really pretty. This is X marks the spot. So it is very vibrant, love that. And then the back is just a, it's not a chevron, it's just a up and down, I don't know what you'd call that. I'm drawing a blank, but anyway, it's on orange. So interesting pattern of little polka dots that are lining up and down. This one is called Rainbow Sherbet, and I do really like this color palette. Same collection, so I guess you have more of the feminine side and more of the masculine side with this collection, because this is the same brush stroke but in different colors. And then I love the back. It's just a fun little design with yellow tone on tone. Cutie patootie, love that. I wish I had another one of these actually. So we will move on to the ephemera, and this is Hip Kit exclusive, same collection, Awesome Life. I guess this is all their own stuff, and I can't get it open here. We'll just show you some close-ups there. Looks like there's a sweater and a bicycle, game on, roller skates, rad, some baseball caps. I saw a little dog in the front. Can't believe I can't get this open. It is very, man, usually packaging isn't this difficult, but here I'll show you a few pieces. I won't go into the whole thing unless you want me to, but I think you'll get the general idea here. Oh, there's a cool little cat in there. Just a sassy fat cat. Look at this cat. Strut yo stuff. Love that. Some luggage. Here's the little dog. It kind of looks like Simon Says Stamp dog. That's what I first thought of when I saw it. The iconic bicycle that everyone has in scrapbooking. This will be oh, I have so many pictures of my grandbaby with popsicles this year. That has been our thing. We go outside every day and have a popsicle because it's been like 105. Except for today. We got rain. We got rain today, which it's been so hot. And I love the heat, don't get me wrong, but man, it's just been brutal. Tunes. That would be good for Bab. He's big into oh, that'd be good for Bab. Him and his metal shows. Champ. So I've got some health coach clients And if you want to check out my website, you can go to ihbt.net, and I've got some testimonials on there, but I also have, oh, look at this. So fresh. That'd be good for my meal planning. But anyway, Champ just reminds me, I've got one client right now. She's doing so amazing. So proud of her, and she's young, and she is just killing the game. I mean, you can ask for an easier, funner client. So love working with her, but I love all my clients. So I have another client that was recently diagnosed after I kind of thought I knew anyway, but I was right, and unfortunately she's not very happy about the diagnosis. So I'm helping, so I'm a nutritionist, I'm helping her with meal planning around her restrictive diet as well. So it's been interesting. So here is the polymer stamps. I love the YOLO, and cool. And everybody needs a little heart in their life. So those are fun. And this is also Awesome Life, and it's just a bunch of cool chipboard. This kind of reminds me of Amy Tan. But yeah, if you want to check out my website, or just Google Intentional Health by Tuesdae. I've got some fun stuff going on now. Not just health coaching, but meal planning. And you can get a free recipe of the week. Well, not of the week, it's every other week. Because I don't want to, I'm so busy now, it's crazy. But every other week you can get a free clean eating recipe. Look at how cool this color is. I really like this cornflower blue alpha. And I know I'm all over the place while I'm showing you this because I feel like I haven't been able to let y'all hear about my life because it's been so crazy. But you know, what life isn't. So that is the main kit. And of course, you know, I'm sharing all this with you while my grandbaby is screaming in the other room, and now my lawn crew has decided to show up. So welcome to my adventurous world. So here is the cardstock add-on. I swear the lawn guy is like right outside my door. What's happening? Jeez. I'm trying to make a video here, people. Oh, thank you. Maybe they heard me. So this is a textured basil in a dark, like a midnight blue. You get 2 sheets of that. This is a textured basil, and it is called Mango. Of course, it matches perfectly. Just a nice little pumpkin color. This is a basil in lemonade. I think we've gotten this a couple of times before. Here is that lavender color by basil, textured, called Wisteria. And now my dog's barking. Look, you get to hear my entire world. It's a good thing my phone's on silent. So this is basil in Petal Soft, and I love Petal Soft. It's one of my fave by Basil. Then I get 2 of the craft cardstock. This is a smooth craft. 2 of the white. They always give us one that's just basil white. And then last but not least, this one is a cornflower blue called Serenity. So you can see that it goes perfectly with the main kit and with my nails. I've been enjoying doing my nails with my daughter lately. It's our bonding time. So she's always busy with school and work and getting engaged. And I'm always busy with school and work. And for unfortunately, I'm now married, so yeah. I guess that is it for now. I did get an order from a cherry on top that I'm going to share as well. I had pre-ordered this a long time ago, so it's the apron strings collection. Well, it's just the kit collection, I think. So I'm going to share that right after I share this, so stay tuned. And I will have another video for you very soon. I hope you're having a fantastic life and a fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.